to show my most recent Lazada purchase. It is from Sun Touch. Tama ba ang aking pronunciation? I'm sorry about the TV. Robyn is currently watching Netflix. Anyway, I got a few things from them. So first is this case for my phone. There's Robyn. I got the iPhone 13 phone case in Alpine Green kasi green yung phone ko. Tapos ito dinagdag ko lang. It's an old sticker that I have of the 3 Bear Bears, and since sila yung 3 Bear Bears ko, ayan, dyan. So yan. Tapos, this is the MagSafe phone. So, clear lang ito, and then meron siyang parang green na color there sa sides. And what I like about this, kaya rin ito yung pinili ko, even though it's a little bit more expensive than yung ibang mga MagSafe phones, kasi meron ng case yung camera. Yan. So that is what it looks like from the front, with Robyn as my wallpaper, and then the back. And then, lagi kasi sa mga phones ko, I always put a pop socket. So, lagi din mabilis siya masira. So, the reason why I got a MagSafe phone case is so that I can buy this magnet, what is this called? Ring stand? Ring holder. So, basically, you just pop it right there in the middle. And then, you can use it na as a holder or as a stand. And okay naman yan. It stands very well. So, very stable, the magnet. And it does. Ayan, no? Naho-hold naman niya properly yung phone ko. So, yan. There. Pagka binili mo siya, binili mo pala tong phone case, meron siyang kasamang screen protector here. Dito. I didn't use it kasi okay pa naman yung screen ko for now. Yung screen protector that I have.
So, dapat yung food mo, dapat ako mag-prepare. Kaya I have to go out.
Eh, di siya na mag-prepare.
Ikaw na! Iluto mo si Lia ng bola-bola. Kasi ayaw na spaghetti sauce.
Where is Aya? There's Atsi. Trying to do her homework. And there's Aya. What? What's that? So cute naman, so tiny. Can you show your orange? Wow. It's a tiny orange. Tiny orange. For Nia, baby. And of course, Nico is already eating. Eating his orange now. Ooh, licking it. Look at Nia's outfit, by the way. So cute. Earlier, we went to my parents' house because my sister then supposed to be going back to her home base this afternoon. So we were very excited to go there. Tapos, pagdating namin doon, we just learned that my sister, I'm not sure if it's the appendix, basta her right abdomen has been aching since last night. So, we were with her yesterday, had a lunch date with her. Tapos, nung gabi, when she got home, doon na nagsimula sumakit. So, they had to bring her to the emergency room. Kanina, this morning also, when we were there, sabay na kami umalis. Hopefully, it's nothing serious. Yun nga, sabi nga niya, casualty pa. But I'm just happy, or we are all just happy that this happened, na nandito pa siya with us. Instead of happening na either nasa flight siya or nakabalik na siya. So there. Robyn doesn't have school today. Why, Robyn?
Because we have a health break. Well, on Friday we have a health break, but today and
Tomorrow.
We have a school conference, and of course, like some of them they like did in the morning, so they can't really like do the school conference while teaching. So might as well just like skip school for that day.
Ignore my brows. I am currently doing my makeup. We have a busy day today. People from the solar company, solar panels, nandito sila, nililinis yung solar panels namin. And then, it's Robyn's 3-way conference today, this morning. And then, this afternoon, we have an appointment for Nia naman, for her hearing test schedule. They're gonna check Nia's hearing aids and make the necessary adjustments if ever na kailangan na ayusin yung mga volume, etc. Because right now, nasa parang moderate pa rin siya. And I am hoping that they'd be able to bring it higher, higher sana kahit mild, para hindi ganun kalayo yung difference from the cochlear implant side. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I don't know kung gaano kahirap yun mamaya because they said it's a different test. Parang may gagawin silang ibang test from the ones that we used to do before. So we will see. I know that it's gonna be very stressful. So I'm kind of pacing myself.
Always see you. You would always write on your whiteboard. You would show it on the screen fearlessly na. So I'm really happy to see that you are trying and you are actually doing very well to the point where you even finished it during class itself, right? Nung Tuesday. So we want to continue to develop that in you, to keep encouraging you, and I know that you will also be an inspiration to others as well. So,
Congrats, Roro!
Correct. This one.
Showing her game. Oh, that one. That's a nice game, Peachy. Molds. A mold. A mold. Dead a mold. Zombie mold.
It's diamond because
Die! We are now done with Robyn's 3-way conference, and we're back in her room, spending time with the twins, looking after the two.
Hi, dito. Ano ka?
Yeah.
Hi, yeah.
Spend time with Nico because later we're gonna go to Nia's appointment. Nia and I are now here waiting for her turn for her hearing appointment. Hi, Nia. She's a little nervous. She's been fiddling with her fingers kanina pa. Nia. Nia. Show your blocks. Blue blocks. We're done with Nia's appointment. Nia! Hi! What are you eating? What are you eating? Ah! Yummy cookies! Where's the strawberry? Where's the strawberry? There! Strawberry! Yum! She's so happy now. I wasn't able to take clips of the hearing appointment na earlier because iba yung ginawa ngayon. Meron pang kailangan nilagay sa ear niya and I had to hold it kasi ayaw ni Nia. Actually, medyo nakakaawa din kasi when we got there, I knew she was very nervous kasi her hands were really cold. Tapos, she didn't wanna get in. When we entered the room, she started tearing up. And nakakaawa kasi walang sound. Like, she wasn't crying. Ay. Oh! It fell down niya. Saya-saya na niya, oh. Yummy! Oh, may amos pa eh. You like it? Ito may mukha mo. What do you think?
I will do.
You like it?
I will do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes? Did you see the tree? Did you see the tree? Look! Wow! Is it nice? Look only. It's mommy.
You?
Yes.
Papa, it's you? It's you?
It's you daw in the picture. Oh? Sonia. Nice. Sonia. Hati. Hati. Wait, malaglag. Can you tell us what did you do? What they did to you
Where?
for your eyes?
They checked my eyes. I had to look at the screen, and then I had to read the letters. Then she made me like read these like optical illusion things, and then she put like coloring in my eyes.
Yeah,
I
the
don't
dye.
know why. And
What
then
color was it?
Yellow. And then she checked my eyes. She looked at my eyes, and then she put some kind of eye drops. Like it's like a soap, but it's less painful. And then you have to do it every 5 minutes.
Yeah, for three times.
So 5 minutes pass by and then again, and then 5 minutes pass by and then again. And then we went.
Then she checked again.
Then she checked again, and then we went out, and then we came back in after an hour, and then we checked again. Then she put like these glasses on me, and then she put in like the lenses, and then she made me read, oh, what is this? And then I was able to read it, but when I removed my glasses, I cannot read
So
it.
that's how you know na
I
you really have grade already.
Yeah.
And what was your grade?
For my right eye, I had 125.
Nearsightedness.
And then my left eye, I had 25.
Astigmatism.
25 astigmatism. There.
And so we already ordered her glasses, but they don't have stock of the lenses yet.
So mommy and papa will have to pick them up here on Wednesday.
Yeah, to get it again.
And the color of my eyeglasses are blue.
Yeah, so we
And
will
I
just
don't-
flash a photo of Robyn's fitting here so that they will see what it looks like. Then they will just change the lens.
Yeah.
After that, we just had lunch. And then we waited for my husband's eyeglasses kasi nagpagawa din siya. Then we went around, bought socks for Ro. Hindi na ako nag-video kasi ang hirap i-contain ng tantrums ng mga tao. So, ganun. Now, we are here at Sincerity to just buy food for our dinner tomorrow.
Now we're going to my favorite pizza place, which is
is
Landers Pizza.
Landers.
I know you would think that, why Landers? That's not really a pizza place, but I love the pizza so much.
Yeah.
The one, I think it's the one that has cheese, pepperoni,
No, there's
and-
pepperoni,
and
bacon,
mushrooms
yeah,
and
smoked
bacon.
bacon and mushroom, yes.
and then
That's
the
what we
name of
love.
the order, if you're gonna buy it, is
Smoked bacon and mushroom, I think. New York smoked bacon. We will just take video later.
and then mommy and us, we're going to go around Landers. I don't know why. And then we're gonna buy chachago because it's Saturday and I don't have school tomorrow.
Yay! Favorite day of the week! Yay! Okay, we have our orders now. Ayan. And we're ready to leave. Nag-CR na lang yung mga kids. And then we're going to Landers. Yay!
Hello everyone. So we are at Landers already, and so we just ordered our food. The pizza is gonna come later. So here the babies are eating.
Wow! Good job.
Me and Papa and Mommy aren't eating. But I like the pizza here because the mushrooms are very juicy and the cheese is very cheesy. Basically, it's very yummy. You know, you should just go to your Landers. Go to Landers and you buy the pizza.
BTS.
Ikaw ba gumawa niyan? May nagbebenta ata dito.
Picturean siya mamaya ni Ate. Smile, Ro.
Ito na naman si KSP. Ito si KSP. KSP.
What are you cooking, Mia Pot?
Yes. Mia,
Bye!